Are you familiar with Neil Armstrong and him stepping foot on the moon?
Yes, I'm familiar with Neil Armstrong. He was the first person to step on the moon during the Apollo 11 mission in 1969. His famous words were, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." What's your question about him?
Well, my question is, what might have happened if he said, "This is one small step for man and two small steps for my friend Steve"?
That would have certainly been a surprising and humorous twist. If Neil Armstrong had said, "This is one small step for man and two small steps for my friend Steve," it would have likely caused confusion and laughter among the mission control team and the public. It might have also sparked curiosity about who Steve was and why Armstrong mentioned him. It would definitely have changed the historical and iconic nature of the moment, adding an unexpected personal touch to a monumental event.
Are you familiar with that? He might have actually said the phrase wrong to begin with, that it was supposed to be, "This is one small step for a man and a giant leap for mankind."
Yes, there has been some debate about whether Neil Armstrong intended to say that's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind. The inclusion of a before man would make the statement grammatically correct and distinguish between a man, referring to himself, and mankind, referring to humanity as a whole. Armstrong himself has said that he intended to say a man, but the transmission may have clipped the a, leading to the more commonly quoted version.